Welcome to V-La-Nessa. Happy Lover's Day. Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you like it, please share it to your friends and family. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy this video.
Enter forward. Luxury. Class. Elegance. Everest. Sophistication. Richness. Elegance. Practicality for the women and the children. Soccer moms. Carrying kids to ballet practice or football practice. Digital screen.
Touchscreen. Start engine.
Ooh, boasty. Ugly face. Sophisticated car.
There's something about walking into a showroom and seeing something that once felt out of reach. Not because I'm ready to buy it today, but because I'm ready to think bigger. Never be afraid to dream big. The same God that gave you the vision will give you the provision. And sometimes you don't have to buy it. You just have to expose yourself to it. Build your appetite for the level you're praying for. Growth starts in your mind before it even shows up in your driveway. You're capable of more than you think. And then there's this. Not everything that's right for you has to be loud. Some blessing comes steady, reliable, consistent. It's not always about the big things in the room. It's about what fits your journey. Growth is choosing what aligns, not just what impresses. I'm not just looking at cars, I'm looking at where I'm going. Every step counts, even the browsing. God doesn't skip steps, He builds you through them. Trust the process. Don't rush the journey. What's for you won't miss you.
Alright, we just want to get some performer invoice for the Outback, which is what, 2026, that was the one on the showroom. Outback 2023? Okay.
Good morning, guys. It is Sunday and I'm on my way to church. But my girlfriend is supposed to be there, so I won't feel so lonely. I don't know why, but from like I come back, going back to church, it's like I'm hearing new faces. I know people who's been there for a while, but those are, mature people, more older people, I understand. But it's good to know that one of my friends is gonna be there. Yeah. So I'm on my way now. I think I may be late. It's 6:39, and I think it starts like 6:45. I'm not sure. But I know it starts 6 some, maybe 6:15 or 6:30. But I'm on my way anyway. Yeah, so we're going to church, we're going to bless our week. Big dreams are building small routines. Before the cars, before the upgrades, there's discipline. Making your bed won't change your life overnight. But finishing what you start, even the small things, trains you for a bigger victory. Every small habit is like a seed. The more you nurture it, the more it grows. It's in the consistency, the little choices, that your future is quietly built. So don't rush. Don't skip the step. Do the small things well. Your future is watching, and it's learning from you. You can't pray for elevation and live in clutter. Sometimes growth starts with cleaning the space around you so you can clear the space inside you. It's the small, consistent action that habits form and momentum builds. Every surface wipe, every corner dusted is a reminder: if you care for the little things, the big things will follow. Decluttering your space is like decluttering your mind. Clarity comes when you make room for what truly matters. If you can't manage what you have now, how will you manage more? Order in your space creates order in your mind. Every shirt folded, every piece put in place is practice for handling life with intention. It's in the small, consistent steps that will build habits, habit that shapes our future. When you care for the little things, the big things fall into place naturally. Start where you are, do it well, your future self is watching and will thank you. Some little joys just make any day better, and this one definitely does. Here it is, a double-sided waffle maker from Nova Life. My sister got this for me and I'm so excited to finally use it. We've got the main unit, removable plates, the drip tray, everything you need to make waffle perfect every time. The best part, it flips both sides for an even golden finish. So you can make breakfast waffles, lunch waffles, dinner waffles, and even a snack anytime you want. If you want to check this out for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description box. Trust me, this little machine is about to make your meals more fun and your cooking easier. It's not just about the gadgets, it's about creating moments of joy in your day, no matter the time. First, we add crusties mixed to the bowl. That's the base, the foundation of it all. Next, I crack in the egg. A little extra protein, a little structure. Every step matters, just like small choices you make in life. Then comes the coconut oil. Adds richness and flavor, making the batter smooth like life, adding cares and intention. Makes everything better. Finally, a little water to bring it all together. Slowly mix it in, watch it blend, take your time. Good things happen when you're patient and intentional. See how it all comes together? Each ingredient on its own is simple, but together they create something amazing. That's the same with effort, habits, and focus in life. Do each step well, take your time, and the results will always be worth it. Breakfast, snack, or anytime you want a little joy. And just like that, golden, perfectly cooked waffles. It's amazing what patience and attention to details can create. You follow the steps, do the work, and the result shows up. It's a small victory, but it reminds you consistency matters, effort pays, and every little action counts. Celebrate the wins, no matter how small. They're proof that progress is happening, even when it's quiet. First, we dip the chicken in flour, coating it carefully. Already you can hear the crispiness forming in your mind. Into the hot pan it goes. Listen to that sizzle. That sound? That's the reward for doing things with care. While that cooks, let's prepare pineapple vegetable mix. Chop pineapples, carrots, onions, bell peppers, and spring onions. While chopping, I'm flipping the chicken in the pan, making sure it cooks evenly and stay golden. Multitasking in the kitchen is all about timing and flow, seeing everything come together piece by piece. Look at all these colors and texture. Cooking life is better when you make it your own. Look at that, vibrant, flavorful, unique. This is proof that creativity, care, and a little courage can turn something ordinary into something extraordinary. Next, I start blending in the juice and sauces, little by little, tasting as I go, adjusting for that perfect balance. It's all about paying attention and enjoying the process. It's more than food. It's a reminder that when you pour yourself into what you do, your effort shines and even small moments become celebrations. Now, let's make Soursop juice. Start by squeezing the fruit by hand. Feel that pulp and watch it transform into something fresh and vibrant. Add a squeeze of lime for brightness, a hint of ginger for a kick, and a touch of sugar to taste. The flavor comes together beautiful, just like combining effort, care, and creativity in life. It's messy, it's hands-on, it's perfect. Sometimes the most rewarding thing comes when you immerse yourself fully and enjoy the process. Refreshing, natural, and full of flavor. A simple reminder, the effort you put in, however small, creates something worth savoring. And just like that, everything comes together. Look at those colors and textures, all your effort in one plate. Take a moment to appreciate it because every step counts. I'm gonna try my waffles and french fries. Everything just looks so good. I have not tried it. This is a blind test. May not even try the fried chicken, not me not try.
So this is a vibe for today. Just hat with my hair down.
Remind me of Vegas.
This jeans and my sandals.
This is a chili,
I want to know if I should wear this jacket.
fried chicken,
So
and
far, I like
waffles.
how it looks. But the thing is,
Sometimes I can't be bothered with the traditional
to wear
stuff.
this because I don't have any more space, right?
And it has pineapple in it.
But I also want to wear my green
Nice.
clothes.
Love that.
So we're gonna try.
I'm happy. Hi, so today is Monday and I have quite a bit of things to do this week. Not really a lot, but things that I want to do because I don't know if you know, but Valentine is Saturday and I want to do something for Bestie. He's not expecting a lot because, as you know, you're not working. I want to do something for him, but I want it to be a surprise and I want it to be more meaningful. Like last year, so this is going to be our second Valentine's Day. Last year, like, we literally just started talking. I think Thursday would be 1 year since he asked me to be his girlfriend. But I was wondering, like, do you celebrate like anniversary when he asks, or do you do it when you, because we did dip on a pause and we came back together. So I'm wondering, do you start from when you initially start or started from when you start over? The 12 would be 1 year and then Valentine's Day would be our second Valentine's Day. Last year I gave him a basket. This year, yes, I want it to be meaningful and I want it to be practical. As you all know, we are trying to do an Airbnb. It will be ready about maybe summer. Alright, for those who are coming out and you want an Airbnb to book in the St. Catherine area, then hook your girl up and we'll give you a decent rate if you do it through me, obviously. Yeah, so I was thinking about buying something towards that cause. And he's been saying that he wants some appliances. Now, initially, I was looking at air fryer because he's been saying that he wants a air fryer. See my air fryer already. So I was like, okay, I'm going to get him an air fryer. And then I heard him saying about he want blender and toaster, like these stuff for the Airbnb. Makes sense, right? So I was like, okay, might as well be buying the blender and the toaster because it's two things rather than the air fryer. But then he's like so down on the air fryer. And then the other day I was using a bullet in the States. I have one here and I had one in the States. So when I send on the one from State, I just gave it to him. So it doesn't really need a blender because we have the bullet at the Airbnb. And it's very small, practical. And if you know the Portmore houses, they're small. So you don't need like a big blender. I think that can work for a bit. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to buy him the air fryer. So the air fryer will be his gift. But I just don't want to just give him the gift just like that. So I was thinking, because he likes self-care, I was thinking that maybe I should give him a facial and a pedicure and a manicure, just give him a service for the day. But I want to do it fun. You know where they have the paper and they say either or, say choose one, and whichever one you choose, that's the one you'll be getting. So I want to do that. So you guys going to plan with me, okay? That is what I'm going to do. The air fryer is a bit stretched, but him deserve it. And then it's not even so much for him, which is for him, but it's an investment in his business. Instead of buying like clothes, shoes and those stuff, I'm thinking about something more practical where it makes sense. Now, I asked him if he wanted a service or he wanted gift. Him say gift, so that makes sense. Now, my hair want to wash. My hair is breaking off like crazy. I don't know if it's a change of water, a change of climate, but it'll break off like crazy and I want to wash it. I was thinking that I wanted to do it at Bestie's house because of the good bathroom. You know, I could practically show you guys how I'm doing it because the glass is see-through as opposed to doing it in my house. If I did it in my house, I would have to do it in the sink. I really don't want to do it in the sink, or I would have to go outside and do it outside, and I really don't want to do it outside. Or I just have to just chance it in the bathroom. I don't know. Whatever I do, you'll see. but I definitely going to cut my hair, and I'm going to start wearing wings as a protective style. Obviously I'm going to protect my edges, but my hair needs to be cut. It needs tender loving and care. So that's what I'm going to do today. And I was thinking that I should go to Quartz to see if I can get that air fryer. I was going to go to Price Smart, but you know, if I'm going to go to Price Smart, I would need a Price Smart card. When I look at the membership, it is $7,000. So to pay that $7,000 to buy the air fryer, that's all different money. So might as well I just buy it in Quartz. Yeah, so that's the plan. I have not been vlogging much. I've just been giving you a lot of montages. Yeah. Obviously, you won't see the Valentine's festivity until next week because Valentine is Saturday and this vlog is going out Saturday. But you will see the pre-do. No, he's planning something I don't even know. And may I ask him not tell me. Him not understand, say, yo, we girl, we need to be prepared. We want to know. And as it relates to clothes, it's that I went in my drawer and my closet and I realized that none of them can fit me. All of my good clothes them cannot fit me. So, if I want black dress, and if it is that we're going out or we're going to have a meal or something, the black dress is what I'm going to wear. I have a burgundy bag, I'm going to pair with that, and probably my burgundy budget. But I really wanted to wear heels, and then obviously I'm going to put on a wig. Yeah, and that will be it. I was thinking about buying something, but we're not going to do all that because we're on a budget. You understand? So we're going to use what we have. And I still need to get to the gym. I still need to start working out. Anyway, I'm going to make a mask. Yeah, so let's go make that mask right now before I wash my hair. My hair has some damage, so I'm focused on repairing and nourishing it. I want to give it the care it needs to stay healthy, strong, and vibrant. First, I made my home treatment. I had aloe vera, 1 egg, a tablespoon of mayo, a tablespoon of butternut oil, and 3 drops of Jamaican black castor oil. Blend it until smooth. This mask is going to work on every strand. Taking time to care for yourself and your hair is a small act, but it makes a big difference. I shampoo twice with Shea Moisture to remove all dirt and buildup. This ensures the mask can penetrate and do its job properly. Cleansing is all about creating the right foundation, whether for your hair or for any project in life. Starting fresh sets you up for the best results. Now I apply the mask, making sure every strand is coated, then wrap my hair with cling film. When your hair is fully submerged in the treatment, it soaks up everything it needs. And it's a reminder that when you fully commit to something, you get the best results. After about an hour, I rinsed out the mask and apply regular conditioner to soften my hair. Once that's rinsed, I follow up with the leave-in conditioner and gently detangle. Rinsing and conditioning reveals the results of the care you have given. It's a reminder that when you give something the attention it needs, the benefit shows. Small steps can lead to big transformation. I protect my hair with chai heat spray, then start blow drying it into section using the poke brush. Working in section helps me get a smooth, even finish. Once dry, I use a Timo one brush to straighten it. Comes with so many features and makes styling so much easier. As you see, one pass and my hair is completely straight. After that, I trim away split ends using my scissors from the cut, making sure my hair is even and healthy. Small adjustments like this make a big difference over time. Finally, I finish with my V-La-Nessa flat iron for a silk press. The result is sleek, smooth, and revitalized hair. Take time to style. Care for your hair isn't just about looks. It's about confidence, transformation, and feeling your best. if you want to get this tool, check my storefront. Link is in the description below. They are definitely worth it. It's so easy combing my hair today, like literally. No, me really I consider it for creamy hair. Alright, so this is the hair for today. Like, you see, and if you cut the hair grows back, cut it. I feel like I may just cream my hair. Cause I'm tired, like we're just tired of it naturally. I'm just gonna make it grow up some more, get fuller, and then we cut it. That is what not cut it, cream it. If you don't want me to cream it, tell me why I shouldn't cream it. Because it doesn't make no sense I'm constantly hot iron my hair, it'll get heat damage. I don't want it to get heat damage. And yeah, so that's what I plan to do. Anyway, I'm gonna go on the road. I'm gonna see if I can go to Courts and get that thing for Bestie, as I was talking about yesterday. I might just go Fontana just to look. And yeah, that's just about it. Hopefully the hair stay up in the heat. Right? Hopefully stay up in the heat. You know when I go so early I go, but the place them lock, Fontana and Courts close. They're not open until 10. And I'm here like 9:30. I never know. I thought that they were around the clock. Anyway, I have 3 more minutes to wait, so I'm waiting. Because I just want to get that thing up and go. Just have to bring it home because I don't want to leave it in the car because he washed the car and I don't want him going there and see it and then it spoiled the surprise. So I may have to bring it home or I just hide my key so that it doesn't go inside of the car. But then when I sleep. So he may just find the key. Anyway, 3 minutes. Wait, I just says 3 minutes. I don't like the time now go. 3 minutes. And then, wait, my phone said 5 minutes. The last time I came, I didn't really see any hair fryer at all. But I don't want to go up and about. I don't want to go to Spanish Town. I don't want to get it. So I'm just going to see if I can get one in here. And depending on the price, I may get a toaster because he wanted 3 things. Blender, toaster, hair fryer. The aim is to get the hair fryer. And as I said, depending on the price, I might get the toaster. Because he was like, I'm looking at some hair fryer. And when you're looking at air fryer, I don't need that right now because I'm trying to learn from buying it. Who is that? I think it's that girl on TikTok that's saying gift ideas or something like that. Not who is, if you can tag the person or comment, who is that? So Court's having a sale 50% off on all pots. And I feel like I made us take this one. It's a 7,000 after the discount. This is probably about 6. This you can put it on the oven, which is kind of good. I wonder between this or that. But my mind will lean to this and then just buy a baking tray. It's too big. This is like the right size. Alright, this would be nice, but space. This tall, nice, but the plastic I like. I like that. And then this too expensive. This is not money you can get more than one something for this. Huh?
This one?
That's on the pot.
Oh, this on the pot set?
Yeah.
I think I have the code for this one already. And the pot set already, right?
Yeah.
I have both of them. I record nobody do over always it go.
I never viral though.
You never go viral?
Well, on TikTok, but at the page of the ban.
You continue to work at it, that's something you love?
Yeah, but
Boy, it take time. Continue to work at it, man. I'm gonna tell you something in life. Nothing not come easy and nothing not come overnight. Just continue to work on it. Subscribe.
Thanks.
You have an Instagram as well?
Same thing, everything.
Same thing. You can. I'm tell you something. Even though my years I do this, you know, I'm a business person. You know, I'm do farming and everything.
What kind of farming?
I do sweet potato right now.
Oh.
I'm about a acre, maybe a acre and a half of sweet potato. what I learned in life is that you'll never get anything until you continue to try it. I remember so this is part of
Oh,
it.
that's a lot.
Yeah, I'm tell you say this I say it's this is uh
So you have people work for you,
me
or?
have people work for me and me work too. So it's
Oh,
a 30, so it's a 30. So these are some of the other things that I plan to.
tough
So these are,
job.
yes, are this I reap these in late December. I sell them to
Market
like,
people,
alright, so I
vendors, you
sell them
mean?
to vendors, I sell them to people who basically just come up to the community and look things to buy.
Mm.
And as well, I have some markets, hotel and some other place.
You know, so sometimes you hear you talk to some people and then like, they just bring reality to you. I really needed to hear that. I actually not even know him at the film. I just come to buy something, you know. And basically, I say, yo, keep pushing. Once you love it, keep pushing. And that is what happened to me. Is I discouraged based on some people. Hold on. Hello? Yeah, like we literally get discouraged and we need to just continue. I got what I wanted. So I think you appreciate this because listen, you just get the house. There's nothing in the house. You understand? And I feel like if you're going to buy somebody something, buy what they need, right? Not what they want. And it's either that or car stuff. And I feel like you'll appreciate it. This man just a while ago said, "Oh, what a wonderful lady! You just made my morning." He made my morning. I'm not in the talking mood this week, and it's not even because of you guys or anybody else. It's just that overall, just not in the talking mood. I am literally just going easy this week. If you see that I'm not talking much the vlog, it's because I'm just not in the mood. I'm like in the observation mood, thinking, planning. Right. You send her. You do send her? Yeah. Okay, 3387. Alright, thank you. When you're hungry and in a rush, come to Island Grill. As much as the things are expensive, just order just now on a side of plantain. You're not getting a juice, but you more than likely have water, right? That will cost you $1,300. Even cheaper than a Zinger combo, I think. How much is for a Zinger combo? I don't know. But it's healthier. You get nothing is good. You know, have this one bag of fries and so forth. So come to Island Grill. Like me literally just turn around, go in on the drive-thru, order, and then we have two vehicles before me. If it was KFC or Burger King, well Burger King not so bad. But if it was KFC, I'll know when they reach your window. So get a chicken and festival and ripe plantain, and then when I reach home I'll just drink something with it. If you want to come and work out, you come and work out. More than likely not finish it. So this is the bicycle. And the bicycle. And then you have other bicycle over here, so. And then these are what? I don't know. It's a stepping thing. And then quite lean. But Phoenix are going with things. And then you have the football, tennis ball, netball, and then the park area there. So for the kids. And you can have little picnic and the hay picnic here. And the gazebo. Yeah. Come and work out. So being that we're in the month of love, I see something going around and I think I want to try it. So I see where they're making dumpling and they're shaping it out in a heart. Yes, so I'm going to do that. And then we're going to get Bestie's reaction to that. Because he said it to me, but not knowing that I was already looking on it. And then it just resurfaced. We have time right now. We have flour, we have all of the ingredients. So I'm going to do that and curry chicken. Alright, so we're going to do that. I'm gonna cut up the meat, clean up the meat, season up the meat. We're not going to show you that. I'm just going to show you the part where we make the dumplings because we don't want the video too long. You already don't know how to clean up the chicken, season up the chicken. Yeah, so that's what we're going to do. He's going to be here in probably 2 hours or 1.5 hours. So I want to get it rolling. I'll cut up my seasoning and I have the meat curried. So now I'm going to go and knead the flour. You all know how to knead flour, so I'm not going to show you that, but I'm going to show you when I'm going to shape it up. You don't know how to shape it up, maybe use knife and spoon and all those stuff, and we'll do that together. And then we're going to ensure that the water is boiling so that we can put it in there. Make sure to wash this because this is what I'm going to form it on. Get liquid dust and put it on it. And yeah, let's hope say it come out good because it's either that or it flop. Or maybe I should have gotten a tensel and it another day, but I just feel idle today and I want to do it right now. So I'm already in the mood. You're not going to talk me out of it. It shall come out good. All we need is knife. Round it up a little bit, shape it, and we're good. So Bestie just text me saying I leave work. That should give me like an hour and a half, depending on the traffic. And may I file tax in the meantime too. I just need to do the dumpling and we're good. I can take less than half an hour to boil the dumpling, right? But we just need this girl to send me her 1040 form so I can continue. Like I want to start that out before I get my hands messy. The thing is with him, when he come in, he's like a traditional man. He want to see what in this pot. So I'm going to try to tell him not to look in the pot and not to look in my car. Because in the car, we have the good things there. In the pot, we have the good things there for the belly. Because I'm always looking at the pot, then going to the bathroom and shower and then come and get dinner. So I'm going to let him go straight to the bathroom. Then that. I'm going to show you if I'm going to make sure video him. Hopefully we remember when he walk in at the house. And you will see straight to the pot. That even to me. Straight to the pot him go. First I call you not even know if I'm cooking. Yeah. So let me see if this lady sent me the 1040 form and then I can fix that. Then come back and do the dumplings. Guys, I just thought about the work. So we have the dough. I'm gonna put flour on this so that it doesn't stick. And I think I may say, yo, it's a rough to do so much in the hearts, you know. I'm only gonna do a few in the hearts and then the rest regular because I don't have the time. I don't have the time. I'm gonna put the dough in a plate because we need the pot. I'm gonna put the water to boil. Hopefully this pot can do in the pot because we don't know more pot, and that is why I bought the pot set. You might live like a bachelor, you know. But as I said before, it's for Airbnb purposes, so we don't want to rush and do everything. That is why I was strategic when I was getting the pot because the pot looks really good. Yeah, and even if we don't use it for Airbnb, he can use it for his purpose or he can carry it in yard. There's something about adding small details that makes everything feels more intentional. The same dough, the same ingredients, just shaped with a little more love. It doesn't have to be extravagant to be meaningful. Sometimes the simplest touch carries the most emotions. Moments like this reminds me that effort speaks louder than anything else. And love is really in the details. Oh, what? It don't look so bad. But yo, come to V-La-Nessa's kitchen. Alright, one down. Many more to go. Put some more. You have to make it big so it actually form out, you know? And then you cut away the excess. Boom, me bad. Excited, yo. Don't feel like we're gonna do all of them. Look at this. Hey, we are doing one of them. We are doing one of them. Yeah, this is exciting. I hope him enjoy it just as much as we love doing it. Oh man, I never know someone that did it so well, you know. Jesus. Anyway, I'm gonna finish them and come back because we don't want the video too long. I'm finished. I'm done. I already put some in the pot because I don't want them to stick together. And this is all that's left out of it. This all. It's not like it was a waste. But yeah, I did that. Guys, you know, say we have a thing with taking pictures. We need to take more pictures. That's why I don't really have no thumbnails, you know. Like, look in the pot bubbling. Let me show you. Yeah, and now it's time to clean up. So this video is based on love, I guess. We're in the month of love. Guys, in reach. Let's see if we can go straight to the pot. Wait, I smell food. You smell okay, you smell food. When you walk in at the house, and you see straight to the pot. That even to me. Straight to the pot even go.
Love you so much. I miss you all day. My baby. I made this reservations for you this Saturday.
You make reservation. Don't go in the airport. Oh.
No, yeah, but there you go.
We tell the people that say the first thing I can do, I go in the airport and say don't care. We tell them say that if I could go hungry like this week, I am true period.
You're not going to be the bad guys. One for one is God.
Don't go in the airport. Don't go in the airport. It's like, don't look in at the pot. It's a surprise. As in, don't try to look in. As in, don't glance on it. We know why you're looking. See, when you don't pay, they get your food. Guys, that should work out. Oh, good. Don't you always go to the pot? You go straight to the pot when you come in. Eh? Talk it true.
I always do this.
No, you lie. You lie.
I'm so glad to see you. I miss you so much.
Hey, why? He said they was struck in the guy. Don't normally do this. No, me look like the bad guy. I'm not the bad guy.
You're really clowny, dog. Yo. Pretty Valentine's Day treatment. You know what craftsmanship let them do? Yeah? You have to go to culinary school. Culinary school.
Good morning. Today is Wednesday. I'm on my way to Old Harbor because a friend of mine, Tashana, if you were watching the JP vlogs, you would have seen her in the vlogs. But she sent something for me. Well, she was supposed to send it on my birthday. This is like 5 months later. October, November, December, January, February. Yeah, 5 months later. But I appreciate it still because she didn't have to. But she did. And she could have said, sure, my birthday longer and whatever. And she sent it, so I'm going to pick it up. She sent it to a friend, so I'm going to pick it up. Guys, I'm going to my closet today because we have a date from 4 to I think about 8 because it's a whole course meal thing at a restaurant. And I go through my closet and clothes them can't fit me. The clothes them cannot fit me. And it's either one or two things. And I'm going to lose the weight or buy some more clothes. And I feel like I don't want to lose the weight. But then again, I have to give away some clothes. Because in a sense, we have a closet full of clothes that can't fit me. In a sense, I could probably use it as motivation to lose the weight. Just in a sense, no man. So I don't know what I'm going to wear. I never really want to buy nothing for just one day. But I might have to because I don't want to go there and look like a papa. Yes, and I don't want to be wearing the same clothes that I wear every day. And you know me, I will wear the same clothes every day. But whatever I decide, I'll let you know. The date is on Saturday, so you're not going to see that until the next vlog. You know, I'm gonna see all that until the next vlog. Anyway, I'm gonna go. When I'm going to unbox it, I'll show you. Good morning, guys. It is Friday, and as you all know, Valentine's Day is tomorrow. We're still in the planning stage. It is 8:20. I went to bed 3 o'clock last night. Don't know why I wake up so early. I have quite a few things to do today just to get prepared for tomorrow because, as I said, Bestie have a dinner reservation planned for us. I don't know where, but I think it's 100 restaurant because they're having a Valentine's Day special on the day, and basically it's a 4-course meal. You get a bottle of wine. The thing is, he didn't tell me where, but he was telling me what to expect. So my friend them say I'm the worst person to plan anything for, to plan any surprise for, because I'm going to always go and reason it out or try to figure it out. I don't know why I stay so. So I just feel like it's 100, and the reason why I was digging is because I want to know how I'm supposed to dress. Because he said casually elegant, and you know, man, sometimes. Anyhow, so that's my feeling, but if it's not, it's fine. Last night I went into my closet and I was determined. I was like, listen, I'm not going to buy anything. If I cannot find anything that looks good, I will buy something. And he's saying to spend that much money on one day that you probably just have on the clothes for about 3 hours doesn't make any sense, which kind of makes sense. Last night I was just in all of my closet and my clothes, and I found something. It's not red, as I don't know if I told you, but I'm not doing the red thing tomorrow. The only thing that I'm doing is that burgundy bag and probably my Bridget burgundy slippers. I wanted to do heels, but the skirt is kind of short and we ain't going to do that. Clothes is out the way. I washed a wig last night, so I'm planning to put on the wig, but then the clothes will look better with a slick back, but we'll see. The gift is still in the car and I want to wrap it. I don't want him to see it when I bring it out. I want to get his reaction because he's been saying, is it here for? Is it here for? I'm like, oh, I should have buy it. It would have been cheaper. I try to throw him off, but yeah. So if I bring it out, him I go just already see it. So I want to wrap it, and then I have a daily planner which I'm using Notion, right? I'm using Notion. And last night I just tell the AI, I say, oh, these are the things that I want to do tomorrow. Create a planner for me, and this is what they did, and they actually break it down. If there's a link, I'll just place it in the description box down below. So basically it says today focus is getting ready, which is for getting ready to tomorrow. So I'm going to shave, do my hair, and do a little pedicure because one of the nail break off, but I just feel like I still need to do a pedicure, even though I'm not going to change the, I don't know, whatever, but do a little pedicure. And then Valentine's gift prep, which what I told you, I'm going to buy the wrapping paper and wrap the gift. And then obviously content, I'm going to film and then edit today because today is Friday, tomorrow is Saturday. We're going to get this out. And checklist under that we have shave, do hair, pedi, go to the store, wrap the gift, film content and edit. And then you have the simple, it break down in simple, so I can do it like morning, midday and the afternoon, which the afternoon makes sense because I have to edit the content. And then it also talk about the note, give us quick notes. It says store list, which is the wrapping paper, tape, scissors and gift. So I do have tape, but I don't know where it is. So I'm glad this remind me that I need to just take up a tape just in case. And then it talks about filming, so I'm going to do the style and wrap, all those stuff. And then I have a cousin. She's been saying, oh, Vanessa, can you be my Valentine? So I'm like, we don't know. And she was like, oh, I want a big teddy bear and I want this and I want that. So the thing with her is she's a gift-giving person, just like me. I'm going to buy her something because the last thing I don't want is that she buy me something and me never buy her nothing. And it's going to be something very simple because the girl don't have it. So even if she don't give me nothing, then that's fine because she always been giving. So I'm going to buy her something also at the store. So that's what my day looked like today. And I'm going to bring you with me. So being that I want to go on the road, I was like, okay, you know what? Let's get shaving out of the way. I can do my hair when I come back because Bestie said that he would come here today. And if he come, I just want to get the wrapping out of the way, all that out of the way. I'm gonna put on the nail now and then go take a shower, get ready, go on the road, and then get all of those things done and then come back. Alright?
So, what do you think you'll do? How are you going to spend your life?
I'm not sure. But I do know I'm gonna live every minute of it.
I'm ready for Udapper. I'm just about to go. Just want to check in. I'm just wearing this, my sneakers. And I just wore this because it has a little touch of red. I don't want to be in the reds because, you know, say, when it comes down to Valentine's Day, everybody in a red in Jamaica. And I want to see if that is true still because in the past, everybody was in red. So if I'm going to come and I send somebody, if you come get somebody, I said, get the one in the red, just don't say the man are confused because they don't know which one in the red. I don't want to be among those. So I'm going to leave out. I finish. So that's one thing off my checklist. Let's go. This is the thing them with the Chinese store them. I'm not gonna pack it because they want to sell everything. I can't barely walk. I just got the wrapping paper. I don't know if it's enough, but I got two of this one, two of that, and then I also got this to just tie in the hearts, the Valentine's mood. So I got four, but it's two, if you understand. And then I got this thing for Raina, because I don't see anything in there. So what I'm going to do, I have chocolate. Just going to fill it with chocolate and give it to her. Who doesn't like a good chocolate on Valentine's Day? So that is what I'm going to give her. I'm going to stock it with a lot of chocolate. And if I find anything else that I have and I can give her, I'll do that. And the reason why I bought this is because if you can see, it has hearts on it. And when I see it, I was like, let's buy it and stock it with chocolate. I wanted to get a rose or something like that, but I would have to go on the road for that. And no, I do that. I'm not going to buy any fake rose, so I would rather to buy the one that you can actually put on the dresser. I just feel like I need to update you. Right now, I'm in Juicy Beef drive-through line because I'm going to see if I can get breakfast. I wouldn't mind porridge and to see what's on the menu. Now, I tell Bestie that, listen, I don't want you to watch my vlogs until you get your gift because obviously if you watch the vlog before you get the gift, you're not going to know what the gift is. And he's like, oh yeah, I've got to post it Sunday. So if you don't see it post tomorrow, just don't say him. I've got to block him. Can you block somebody from YouTube? I don't know. Well, let's secretly promote someone's business. So I'm in the drive-thru and I see a vehicle and basically what they do is grow their own produce and sell it back. So they have like gungo, peanut, quinoa, popcorn, sea moss, honey, all of the good stuff. Them like everything it seems like they do. They do seasoning, chickpea, yam, banana, cocoa, dasheen, peanut. I said that already. Flaxseed, raisin. Them have everything. So we're going to secretly promote them. And when you go there, just let them know say V-La-Nessa send you. Them don't know nothing about me. Just make them know say I'm me sent or no. They're in Spalding's, Clarendon, and it said White Shop. I don't know where White Shop is. So my assumption is like in the St. Catherine, Clarendon, and Mandible area, and St. Elizabeth, because Spalding's is in St. Elizabeth, right? Yeah. Go and hit them up. Tell them say V-La-Nessa send you. If them ask you who named V-La-Nessa, direct them to this video. Okay? If I had money on me, which I think I need to go to the ATM machine. If I had money on me, I would buy quinoa because I'd never tried quinoa before. And I feel like I want to cut out rice and start eating healthy. Last night, I was watching, she named that girl would come to Jamaica and then she gone back to Canada. She moved from Canada, come to Jamaica, and now she moved back to Canada. What's she name? Some A name, I don't remember. Anyway, I watched her. Anish, I don't remember. Anyway, I was watching her last night and she was like, I heard that cold water make you bloated and I've been drinking a lot of cold water. It's that little cup thing that, yeah, it's cold water in it. And me knowing that every time I drink water, it's like me get fatter. And I've been drinking a lot of water because I say, you know what, I'm getting older and I need to drink more water. And see then, I drink more water and my clothes can't fit me. So blame it on the water. Yeah, I'm going to try incorporate more healthy stuff in my diet. Morning.
Morning, my dear. Thanks for making it juicy. May I take your order, please?
What do you have in the breakfast menu?
Alright. So, have a blessed day. The cashier will give you your total here, my dear, and
Okay.
you can proceed.
Alright,
Can
thank
make a
you.
new order, ready?
I wanted porridge. It's so porridge. I don't like hominy corn. I don't like hominy corn. I realized like some things I didn't like when I was younger, I start liking them. Like I never used to like pumpkin, and now I eat pumpkin. Never used to like porridge. One of the porridge I didn't like, it's used to be oats porridge. Oh yeah, and I like banana. Was it plantain porridge or banana porridge? Yeah, one of those. You know, some could I make banana or plantain porridge, but we don't have the banana or plantain. Yeah, so I realized on that me drink my peanut porridge, my caramel porridge. I just don't like hominy porridge. And I don't know what is double corn. What is double corn? Is it double hominy? I don't like it. The sauce itself is nice. Corn is not supposed to be in porridge. Like, me not understand. So, what is that? You see how me I give myself a whole heap of edit for do. Those are people that you need at customer service. She have a good spirit, and this is the second time I come here. Talk to you, she said welcome, you know, and she bless your day. Good girl. And she apologize. You know, some people that say, oh, we don't have that. Oh, them say they don't have that. She was like, oh, I'm so sorry. Yeah. Let's go through our to-do list and see how far we are. So shave, which is the near thing, I'm gonna take that off. Go to the store, and I did that. I don't wrap the gift yet, and I'm in the process of making the content. So yeah, slowly tick it off the list. So we'll revisit this later on.
Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you. Thank you.
Alright, thank you.
The town don't really have a lot of people wearing red. I only see one girl in red hat and slippers, and that's it. As the year go by, people not really fussy about things anymore. Like life is life in. Gone are the days when it's Christmas, everybody put up them pepper lights and them Christmas tree and all this stuff. People not do that anymore because JPS and them bill is high. You have people when they're in a relationship, because they're in a multiple relationship, they don't want to buy a gift for everybody. Before, like a week before, they vex with everybody. They vex with everybody. Not only that, you have people going through to the same sex. So I don't know them not celebrate each other. And while I understand so many people say paganism, me not celebrate the man. We just use the day just like Christmas. We celebrate Christ, celebrate the people in our life. And it's not about having a boyfriend or a girlfriend or a significant other. Like you can celebrate your mom, buy her a rose. You know, when you go, if you're a student, you buy a teacher a rose or some chocolate or something. It's just to show appreciation, really, basically. That is what I'm doing. I'm not celebrating the man. I'm just showing my appreciation. Just like when Christmas come, you buy a gift for people, you got a church, you praise God. Yeah, that is what I'm doing. And then on people's birthday, you celebrate them too. Just make people appreciate it. You can't go throughout this life and just live for yourself, which these days sometimes it come like a better, yeah, man. But me just say you can't do that. You know, alright. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the boxes. So watch me wrap it. Hopefully this can work. That is why I bought two. I only need to wrap this and the pot set, and that's it. Alright, so guys, just done with one. Here it is. Let's see the details. It has the heart on it. Yeah. And I don't think I'm going to wrap the other one with this clear paper because we don't really have a lot, and I want to wrap Rihanna something. I only have this much left, which is not a lot, so might as well just leave this for the candies. So I'm just gonna wrap the other one regular. Alright, so let's go ahead and take off some of this to-do list. I'm kind of liking this. It's keeping me on point today, which I really needed. So I've done shaving. That was earlier this morning. I did the shopping and I wrapped the gift. Now I'm going to also go into the simple schedule and click those off. And I think I can take content off because I think I'm going to close off the vlog after this. So this is the only clip that I need to add. And as you can see, I need to do my hair. This is why I'm wondering if I should really close out the vlog or just do it when I do my hair. But the thing is, that's a whole lot to edit. You know what? I'm just going to come at the end when my hair is done and close out the vlog. I'm like almost done and I like this planner. So right now I'm going to go ahead and corner my ear to the back and put on the hair.
I hate to do this, I really do, but I saw a quote today that said, "Be careful who you build with. Some people will use you for the foundation and finish the structure with someone else."
So as you can see, I've finished my hair and I think I am somewhat pleased, like 80% pleased. I wish I did pluck it more. I have enough time, so I don't know why I did a rush. I could have took out my mannequin head and fixed it properly, but that is fine. I am now melting it. Let me see if I can show you. As you can see, it's melting. I didn't want to touch it right now, but oh well. Yes, as I can see, I did my hair, so I can check that off my checklist. The only thing I didn't do was pedicure, and I'm not going to do that because I did it the other day. And I have enough time, I can do it tomorrow morning, so I'm not going to leave here until about 2:30, 3 o'clock because dinner is at 5, 6 o'clock, I think. Yeah, so I have time if I want to do it tomorrow, but that's all that I need to do today. And I'm also going to click off editing because I'm going to finish that right after I shower. So thank you guys for watching, and I really enjoy editing this vlog. I think this is one of my best vlog since I left the state. And the greatest thing is that it's going to release on the day that I am preparing for, which is Valentine's Day. I don't normally have holidays or good days sync up with my vlog, and it did sync up with my vlog. So if you reached this far in the vlog, please to put down a red and white heart just to signify the day. So thank you guys for watching. It was a pleasure, and I'll see you next week or maybe one day in the week. Share this video. This is the listen. Just share the video, please, man. Please let me can't say if you share. So just share it and tag me. Share it on your Instagram and tag me. Share the best part of this vlog and tag me on Instagram or TikTok or wherever. Please, me I beg you. One thing me ask, just share it and tag me, please. Alright, so happy Valentine's Day. And not because you don't have a boo, that means you're not going to celebrate it. We're going to do it with our friends and our family, Valentine. So happy Lovers Day and see you next week. Bye.